Now, mirror work is something that helps you do this consciously by planting positive affirmations loudly. That is what this book and the whole course is based on. Hello, friends. From tomorrow onwards, continuously for 3 weeks, I will be sharing with you a series of videos where I'll be experimenting with something interesting. It is a 3 weeks course, it's a 21 days course for transforming one's life into a loving person. The course is based on Louise Hay's book, Mirror Work. I have caught hold of this book, and when I browsed through it, I found that this is a book that contains this 21 days course to heal your life. The course is based on Louise Hay's video course, Loving Yourself. So tomorrow will be my first day of this course. Now you might ask, what is this thing called mirror work? Mirror work, according to Louise Hay, is the work that you, by looking into mirror, yes, actually you have to look into the mirror. And when you look at the mirror, I mean you look at yourself, your reflection in the mirror, you plant positive affirmations within you. When we do so many activities during the whole day, lot of thoughts, lot of self-talk is going on inside our head. It's a stream of self-talk. It's a stream of thought mixed with positive, negative patterns. Now see, when we think those thoughts unconsciously, those thoughts sink deep into our heads, into our mind, and then we become according to the thoughts that we plant unconsciously in our mind. Now, mirror work is something that helps you do this consciously by planting positive affirmations loudly. That is what this book and the whole course is based on. I'll read out to you certain important portions from the introduction of this book, and this video is also an introductory video to the whole course before I start the course from tomorrow. I think it's best to read out certain important portions from the book itself so that you get a very clear idea as to what this course is all about. So Louise Hay says that over the next 3 weeks, you will learn how to transform your life simply by looking into mirror. Now, mirror work, looking deeply into your eyes and repeating affirmations, is the most effective method she found for learning to love oneself and see the world as a safe and a loving place. So whatever we say or think is an affirmation. All of your self-talk, the dialogue in your head, is a stream of affirmations. These affirmations are messages to your subconscious that establish habitual ways of thinking and behaving. So positive affirmations plant healing thoughts and ideas that support you in developing self-confidence and self-esteem and creating peace of mind and inner joy. The most powerful affirmations are those you say out loud when you are in front of your mirror. The mirror reflects back to you the feelings you have about yourself. It makes you immediately aware of where you are resisting and where you are open and flowing. It clearly shows you what thoughts you will need to change if you want to have a joyous and fulfilling life. And as you do the mirror work, you will become much more aware of the words you say and the things you do. You will learn to take care of yourself on a deeper level than you have done before. When something good happens in your life, you can go to the mirror and say, thank you, thank you. That's terrific. Thank you for doing this. And if something bad happens to you, you can go to the mirror and say, okay, I love you. This thing that just happened will pass, but I love you, and that's forever. Now see, for most of us, sitting in front of a mirror and facing ourselves is a very difficult task at first. And therefore, Louise Hay calls this process mirror work. There is some work involved in it. But as you continue, you become less self-critical and the work turns into mirror play. Very soon, your mirror becomes your companion, a dear friend instead of an enemy. That seems interesting, my dear friends. Doing mirror work is one of the most loving gifts you can give yourself. It takes you only a second to say, "Hi kid, looking good. Isn't this fun?" So it's so important to give yourself little positive messages throughout the day. The more you use mirrors for complimenting yourself, approving of yourself, and supporting yourself during difficult times, the deeper and more enjoyable your relationship with yourself will become. You may be wondering, why 21 days for the program? Can you totally transform your life in just 3 weeks? Maybe not totally, but you can plant the seeds. As you continue to do your mirror work, these seeds develop into new, healthy habits of mind that open the door to a joyous and fulfilling life. Friends, I'm really excited to know these things. I'm really eager to start this course from tomorrow. Tomorrow will be my first day. Okay, so let's begin. I'll be sharing the whole journey with you. Bye and take care till then.